Hi. Hello. Are you gonna pull your other foot out? Are you gonna pull your other foot out? Pull, pull, pull. Is it stuck? Yeah. Clap your hands. Yay! Yay! Should we pull your foot out? Should we pull your other foot out? Let's pull it out. Oh, can we get it? Can we get this foot? There. Yay! Both feet. Ella. Ella. Can you say hi? Can you wave? Say hi. 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 Can you clap your hands? Yay! Good girl. Good girl. All right, bye. Mwah. Bye-bye. 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 You're waving over there?